Guys, Steve, KO4FL, and today I'm going to do an upgrade to the 705 to include USB-C charging and the better amplifier board. Start by powering it on, make sure everything still works. As you can see, it lights up. I do have my Denko plugged in because the battery was low, but everything looks to still work. So power it back down, and there are 6 screws that you have to take out. Flip it over here. The 4 in the corners, which will pull these out. I'm going to go ahead and pull the battery off. One on the top here. Slide it out of the way so I'm not hitting the camera. And then one on the bottom. And then the front panel just slides right off. I'm just going to fold it back out of the way here because the board that we're interested in is right over here. And it's just got a little pull-out cable there, but I'm not going to pull that side out because it should come off the board. And there are 3 screws in the board. Of course, I would drop a screw. And then on this board, there's a little tab here that lifts up, and the board unplugs. And then here's the new board with USB-C and all the connections. And it's already got the tab up. So I'm going to take and slide that in, push that tab down, lock it in place. Slide everything down in. And I have a USB-C cable that I'm going to plug in here. To get everything lined up. Looks like the screw holes line back up for me. And that USB-C cable is plugged all the way in. Flip the front panel back on. And I'm just going to put screw in the bottom and screw in the top and test it here. Slide the battery back on. Plug my other end of my USB-C into my computer. And oh look, we get a charging light. Radio still turns on. Select the battery and shows the external charge. And all of my knobs still work. And you can hear. And it also shows the USB COM there. And I'm sure if I look on my computer, I can find looks like I have my two COM ports. So call that a success. Now have USB-C on the IC-705. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.